Dun, 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 dun. Hello, and welcome back to Funnelheads. My name is Andrew, and today we have some exciting cruise news to go over. That is that Carnival Corporation and PLC, the world's largest cruise line, has entered in an agreement with a German shipyard to build a fourth XL class ship for Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, across their corporation, this will actually be their 10th XL cruise ship being delivered, and this one they say is due to be complete in the spring of 2027. Now, this XL class ship is going to be joining its other sister ships in the same class. So you have, of course, the Carnival Mardi Gras, the Celebration, and the Jubilee. Now, I do have several questions for everybody out there. First off, are you excited for a brand new XL class ship? I know that I'm super excited for a brand new ship, although I'm not gonna lie, I wish they would make a new mid-size to small class ship, but I know it's not gonna happen. It just doesn't make business sense anymore. Now, my second question is, what do you think the name is gonna be? Are they gonna keep going with, past Carnival ships that have been retired, scrapped, or sold? Of course, like I said, we have the Mardi Gras again, we have this Celebration, and we have the Jubilee. Are they going to do maybe the Festival, the Tropical, the Holiday? Who knows? It's going to be exciting to see. I do think that one of the older ships are going to be, reused as far as the name goes, but I would be interested in seeing what your thoughts are on that. And lastly, where do you think this new ship is going to be ported in 2027? Is it going somewhere in Florida? Is it going to Texas, West Coast, maybe New York? Who knows? It's going to be really interesting to see. Maybe it's a new port that we don't even know about. I doubt it, but there's only certain places that can fit these massive ships nowadays. But anyway, would love to read your comments. Where do you think it's going to go? What the name's going to be? And where do you want it to go? I know for us, we would love to see it home ported super close to us, but unfortunately, everywhere close to us, this ship's not going to be able to fit. So we will have to travel for it. We have no problem doing that. Now, that is the cruise news of the day. If you like these types of videos, consider subscribing, hitting like on your way out, share it with family and friends. We appreciate it. Hopefully we'll see you right back here in the next video or on a cruise ship one day. Catch you later.